Hi, I'm Pam Seymour with QPI Healthcare Services, and this is your Sunday Reset. Before the week takes off, give yourself 10 minutes to prepare like a pro. Log into your Lavear web portal, review your HARP Light meters, and check staff files, upcoming license expirations, and payer updates. At QPI, our dedicated program managers are already working inside Lavear, actively monitoring your compliance so nothing falls through the cracks. We make sure your documentation is complete, your deadlines are never missed, and your survey readiness is on point, week after week. Because let's face it, compliance isn't just a checklist, it's your company's survival kit. With QPI and Lavear, you don't have to carry the burden alone. We're your virtual compliance team, protecting your PTAN, your business, and your future. So pause, reset, and get ready to lead with confidence. Do you queue? If not, call us, and you will be compliant in no time. 772-828-2303 or visit us online at www.qpihcs.org.